Hi Debbie, I wanted to put together this quick video to show you how to roll a course over into your Brightspace course shell. Typically, I would have the master course rolled over because the master course should be the most current. However, I do not have access right now to the master course. It did belong to Dr. Albers, but I know that my course shell does include the most up-to-date and the most current information and would be identical to what you would see in the course shell. So we're going to go ahead and do that. If you toggle over here to this icon that says Admin Tools, if you click on that, we're going to click on Import Export. And so what we can do now is we can look for a course that had been offered in previous years so that we can move it over into your shell. We're going to click on Search for Offering, and we're going to go ahead and click on 502, and then Search. Now, prior course shells from prior years will be available for you to copy, but of course you would want to copy the most recent shell. So if we arrow all the way down, my recommendation would be to copy the course shell fall of 2022, section 01, okay, because that is the shell that I've updated thus far. If you click on that and then add selected, you have the option to copy everything from the unit or certain parts. Of course, I would recommend that you copy everything because you, from what I understand, do have a blank shell. So we're going to leave this marked and we'll leave this marked. And we're going to arrow all the way down and we're going to click on copy all components. Of course, I'm not going to do that right now because my shell is complete. It's good that you have a blank shell. I'm glad to hear that actually, because when they provide you a shell and then you're wanting to move over a different shell, um, even though you can select certain aspects of things to move over and not others, a lot of times when you're copying over a shell and there's already an existing shell in place, uh, there's a lot of duplication of materials that then end up being, and then you end up having to do a lot of work with deleting because now there's two module twos and now there's two module threes. And so the fact that, from what I understand, you do have a blank shell works well because now you could just copy my complete shell over and not worry about duplication. And then you would just remove any videos that I have and do your own videos. Okay, so this copy process should only take a couple of minutes. Remember, you want to copy the fall 2022 shell that is section 1. I recommend you copy section 1. Please let me know if you have any questions and let me know how that works out for you. Thanks, Debbie.